Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will discuss about security best practices we needed to follow in order to securely configure MySQL phpMyAdmin. First, we need basic understand about CVEs. CVE stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. It is a program launched in 1999 by MITRE, a nonprofit that operates research and development centers sponsored by the federal government to identify and catalog vulnerabilities in software or firmware into a free dictionary of organizations to improve their security. The dictionary's main purpose is to standardize the way each known vulnerabilities or exposures is identified. Standard IDs allow security administrators to access technical information about a specific threat across multiple CVE-compatible information sources. CVE aims to standardize the names for publicly known vulnerabilities and security exposures. Stakeholders have confidence that they can refer to a CVE identifier and know they are talking about a specific, unique vulnerability regardless of the tool or forum being used. MITRE maintains the CVE dictionary and public website. New CVE identifiers are added to the CVE database daily basis and are immediately available. It also manages the CVE compatibility program, which promotes the use of standard CVE identifiers by authorized CVE numbering authorities called CNAs. CNAs are organizations that assign CVE IDs to researchers and the vendors for inclusion in first-time public announcements of new vulnerabilities. Each CNA has specific scope of responsibility, limiting what products, information sources, or domains for which they assign CVE. You can visit MITRE website and request a CVE ID. You will need to provide these details at a minimum: vulnerability type, vendor or developer of the product or project, the affected product or project, and version information. And you may provide the following optionally: attack type, impact, affected component, attack vectors. Let's look at few CVEs related to the MySQL phpMyAdmin and best practices to follow in order to secure the configuration. This is the first vulnerability we are going to look at. This is in phpMyAdmin version 4 before the version 4.9.4 and phpMyAdmin version 5 before the version 5.0.1. A malicious user could inject some SQL in place of their own username when creating queries to this page. To exploit this vulnerability, the attacker must have a valid MySQL account to access the server. Severity in this one considered as serious. Solutions are phpMyAdmin 4.8 and 4.9 should updated to the version 4.9.4 or newer version. phpMyAdmin version 5 points are should updated to 5.0.1 or newer. Or you can apply the patch for any older versions. This is the second one. This issue was discovered in phpMyAdmin version before 4.8.5. A vulnerability was reported where a specific crafted username can be used to trigger a SQL injection attack through the designer feature. Severity of this one considered also as a serious. Solution is to this vulnerability is to upgrade to phpMyAdmin version 4.8.5 or newer, or applying the patch for older versions. And the final vulnerability refers to the cross-site scripting vulnerability in dbcentralcolumns.php file in phpMyAdmin before 4.78 allows remote authenticated users to inject web script or HTML via a crafted URL. Severity of this vulnerability is considered as moderate. Solution for this vulnerability is to upgrade phpMyAdmin to version 4.7.8 or newer, or apply patch for older versions. And here is the end of the presentation. Here are the references I have used, and also you can visit phpMyAdmin security page or the MITRE website to search more security options related to phpMyAdmin configurations. Thank you.